Want to earn up to 99 cents every 30 seconds just by watching videos? Welcome to the world of DollarTub, an incredible platform that turns your spare time into cash. The concept is simple: you watch videos, complete surveys, install apps, and perform other straightforward tasks. In return, you earn money. It's as easy as that. Imagine this: you're waiting in line for a coffee, or you're on a break at work, or just lounging at home. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media or playing games, you could be making money. DollarTub is the perfect way to monetize your downtime. With over 100,000 registered users worldwide, DollarTub is a trusted platform that has already paid out over $5 million. And it's not just about watching videos, there are plenty of opportunities to earn. Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive into the numbers. DollarTub isn't a new kid on the block. They've been around. DollarTub platform boasts a robust community of over 100,000 registered users scattered across the globe. That's a lot of people capitalizing on the opportunity to earn simply by watching videos, completing tasks, and participating in surveys. Speaking of videos, they're not short on content. With over 10,000 videos available, there's always something new to explore on DollarTub. And we're not just talking about small change here. DollarTub have paid out a whopping total of $5 million to the users. That's right, $5 million just for tuning in and taking part. With an impressive count of over 100 million video views, DollarTub a platform that's truly made a mark. Moreover, DollarTub always pays the highest on all offers and surveys compared to others. DollarTub committed to giving you the most bang for your buck. With these numbers, you can see that DollarTub is a proven platform that delivers real results. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get paid? Well, at DollarTub, they believe in rewarding your time and efforts promptly. That's why they offer daily payouts through a variety of popular platforms. Whether you're a PayPal enthusiast, a Cash App user, or a Venmo aficionado, they've got you covered. Imagine this: you've spent your free time watching videos, taking surveys, or completing tasks, and rather than waiting for weeks on end to see the fruits of your labor, you can cash out your earnings every single day. It's that easy. No more waiting for that monthly paycheck. No more uncertainty about when you'll get your hard-earned rewards. With the daily payouts, you can quickly and conveniently turn your free time into money. The beauty of DollarTub is in its simplicity and convenience. They value your time and make sure you get paid for it. With DollarTub, earning extra cash is as simple as watching a video. Still skeptical? There's only one way to find out. Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about a simple, efficient, and cost-free way to turn your spare moments into a potential income stream. DollarTub is not just another platform, but a community of over 100,000 users from around the globe. It's an opportunity knocking at your digital door. So why not step in and give it a try? Watch a few videos, complete a task or two, or even participate in an online survey. See the potential earnings for yourself. Experience how DollarTub always pays the highest on all offers and surveys compared to others. You'll never know until you give it a shot. And remember, every second you spend watching a video can turn into earnings. So, don't wait. Start your DollarTub journey today. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more ways to turn your free time into money.